still hot. I just want to clean it before. The daddy shall be with you in a few. I'm really not happy I come back. I'm not. I'm full. I haven't been full in the time for some time.
This tea is really nice.
Yeah, the gravy is nice, huh?
What two packets did you put in there? All of them?
When I drank it all I just remember to school.
Used to do that.
Whenever I buy soup packs, they put them in one captain. So that's all in the thing.
I remember it all. That's what I was doing when I made it the other day. I don't remember what I did. It was so nice. You remember, like, oh, this is so nice. And I thought it's because I mixed all of them together, even the creamy mushroom one.
But I added them in different ratios because I wanted some flavor, obviously.
Yes. Yes, because the creamy mushroom I didn't put as much because we are not out here trying to eat mushroom. See?
I'll have some more.
Of the what? I wanted to put some of the beetroot juices in here.
I have a short tongue.
Short
tongue, actually.
Something fast. But I just
Actually,